dance with heels.
That was super. Whoa, come on, make some noise, guys!
I can't dance with heels.
That was superb, यार. दिशा के लिए जोरदार तालियां. Come on. एकदम मैचिंग स्टेप्स with टाइगर यार, आसान नहीं होगा, है ना? This one's for you, टाइगर साहब. आप प्लीज बताएं, एक और सिंगल विद टी सीरीज, एक बहुत तगड़ी एसोसिएशन है.
I think, yeah, किस्मत अच्छी है मेरी. मुझे मौका मिला to work with Bhushan sir and the team again. मुझे याद है, the first time I had come to Bhushan sir, you know, without any hesitation, he had said yes to my idea for Zindagi Yaaron Mein. And ever since then, you know, he's just been doing a fantastic job launching a lot of new talented people and launching a lot of talented actors in a different manner through singles. That being said, this is my third single with him. So I think I'm very happy, and I hope you can give me a few more offers in the future for more singles. You know, I love doing this. It's not easy work, but it's fun, you know, because in between films you get to, you know, give your friends and fans a chance to get a glimpse of you. And yeah, it's fun. If you're very restless like me, and if you have so much energy, and if you want to move, and if you haven't, you know, expressed it all out in a film, then here's a nice platform for you to do something.
Right.
So, yeah.
It's not at all easy. अगर यहाँ पे कोई बोल दे it's easy, तो जमीन फट जाएगी, उसको निकल जाएगी. Because that's not easy what we just saw. Disha, this one's for you. Chemistry amazing है. साथ में कमाल लग रहे हो आप लोग. Acting, dancing, सब amazing है. Action भी है. वो लातों से कैसे बची? Was it very difficult या बहुत आसान था? लातें उड़ रही?
Trust me, when you're standing next to him,
Yeah.
just for the fact that people are noticing you and they know I'm dancing with him, it's a compliment for me, because when he dances, you can't see anyone else.
Right.
He has just got so much energy, and he walks with this aura that you can't really see anyone else when he's there. And I'm just really fortunate. This is my first on-screen debut, and I got to work with Bhushan sir, Sam, the whole team, Aditi Kumar sir, Paresh sir, and I think it's like a dream team for anyone to be launched with. I'm really happy. I just hope I look decent dancing with him and I don't look funny. But yeah, it was difficult, but he's very motivating, so I never felt like, oh my God, I can't do it.
Right.
It was a great thing.
And seriously, it's really great to see you guys over there. Kumar.
She is too cool for me.
Thank you, Tiger.
जो हकीकत है. Yeah, we like spending time. Yeah, we actually we go to dance rehearsal together also. Both of us are trained by Paresh sir. कई बार जिम में भी मिलते हैं. I love to eat. She loves to eat. Every now and then we go eat. So,
I think we do go out with our friends for movies and dinners or lunch. I think it's pretty normal.
सुपरस्टार को नचा रहे हम जैसे किसी को नचा के दिखाओ तब बताएंगे सर. Thank you so much. That was amazing. And this is for you. And now it's over to you guys. Yeah.
और टाइगर आपसे भी सवाल है कि ये शूटिंग के कितने दिन थे और एक्चुअल असल जिंदगी में आप कितने बेफिक्र हैं?
हकीकत ये है कि ज़िंदगी में बिल्कुल ऑपोजिट हूँ फ्रॉम माई कैरेक्टर हियर. व्हाट वाज योर अदर क्वेश्चन सर? दूसरी सवाल क्या थी? बहुत बढ़िया रहा सर. हम कुल मिला के 2 दिन के लिए थे एक्चुअली इन पेरिस, सो डिडंट गेट टू ट्रैवल मच. हालांकि whatever locations we shot at were brilliant and बहुत मजेदार रहा. Yeah. I had fun.
आप दोनों की ऑन स्क्रीन केमिस्ट्री तो बहुत खूबसूरत है, लेकिन ऑफ स्क्रीन कैसी रही शूटिंग के दौरान?
As खूबसूरत actually. I don't know. We're very good friends. और ये हकीकत है. मैं दिशा से बहुत प्यार करता हूँ as a friend. So yeah, it was fun. She's very fun to work with. हम एक दूसरे के साथ बहुत comfortable है set पे. And I think we worked very hard. So we were more stressed about the work than, actually having fun. We just wanted to do good work for everybody.
बस पेरिस को टाइगर एक इश्क का शहर भी कहा जाता है, लाइक प्यार का शहर है. तो 2 दिनों में 48 आवर्स में आपने कुछ ऐसा देखा, आसपास फील किया?
जी जहाँ तक मुझे याद है, आई थिंक आईफिल टावर घूमे हम थोड़ा बहुत. आई थिंक उसके अलावा जस्ट ऑन द स्ट्रीट्स डांसिंग एंड रनिंग अराउंड लाइक यू सॉ.
I want to know a little bit about, the prank that he played with you on while he was feeding you with the cream. He fed you a mirchi, na?
Yeah,
Actually.
yeah. With
With the whipped cream.
With the whipped cream, yeah.
Yeah, with the whipped cream. So I want to know a little more about the prank, and were there any off-screen pranks that were played by the two of you on each other? And that's one, and the second I will tell you.
Can I be honest? Because we were there only for 2 days and we had to finish the whole shoot in 2 days. We were shooting for long hours. We were just shooting. And whatever we did and whatever fun we had was during the shoot. So, do you remember?
सर इनको मस्ती का टाइम मिला ही नहीं.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Okay, the next question to Paresh. Yeah. आपको ऐसा क्यों लगता है ऋतिक रोशन मेहनत नहीं कर रहे हैं?
नहीं, मैंने ऐसा तो नहीं कहा कि ऋतिक सर मेहनत नहीं कर रहे. मैंने ये कहा कि
No, because Tiger is a huge fan and there are a lot of fans of his. So I'm just, yeah.
आप ऐसे मत बोले यार. ऋतिक सर मेहनत कर रहे हैं.
कर रहे हैं ना? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, finally, Tiger, you know that one particular scene where you're wearing the sando, the sleeveless sando, along with the denims, and you've got a green stole around you.
That was my Hrithik moment.
Yeah.
I felt like
Yeah, exactly. That was totally from Dhoom, right? So that was inspired and that was thought of.
No, actually it was a coincidence. My director was just slipping on things on me and it sort of looked good on me, so we just left it there. बाद में पता चला कि it's reminding us of Hrithik sir's Dhoom 2.
Dhoom 2, yeah.
And that makes me feel very good. I hope I dance like him also.
You do. You look fantastic, both of you, and you guys, I'm sure, are going to rock and get millions of views on this.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.